Hello everyone, I am Manu KJ, a computer science and engineering student from East West Institute of Technology, currently in my 6th semester. Today, I would like to share my internship journey through the EDGE internship, Damn It Beneath Your Feet, facilitated by International Institute of Medical Science and Technology Council at Netherlands with SOD Control Company. I am grateful to have received a 100% scholarship for this internship. During this 4 months internship at SOD Control, I had a chance to work on real-time projects and gain valuable professional experience. I am excited to share that I have been selected for third phase of the internship, which is a stipend phase. Though I have faced several challenges along the way, the constant support from the highly qualified researchers from the council helped me overcome from them. I am deeply thankful to IIMSTC for providing me this incredible opportunity. Thank you.